Hey there, CSS fans! Welcome to Sunday CSS, where I, Julia Medson, create CSS art and animations. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a smooth tube with just CSS. So grab the cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started! First of all, I need a tube block. I'll place it in the center of our page. I'll set up sizes for now and background, just to see the block. Where is it? So yeah, here is it, right in the center of our page. For the tube, I need more just one div, so I need to create a few more faces, because basically in 3D graphic, tube is just a prism with a lot of faces, but I'll start with just 3 of them. Here is it. So this is 3D. That's why I need to define transform style, preserve 3D. It allows every child be also in the same 3D space as the parent, because otherwise they will be in their own 3D and won't overlap each other. So tube face. I already know where is my root element, so I can transform it and make it look like in real 3D. So 18 transform. Yeah, for example, like this. Faces. I'm gonna work with them, so I don't need background and the width for the root element, because it's the center of our prism and it doesn't have any color or width. So our face is position absolute, and it's also in the center of our parent element. It has the same height as the parent, and the width is about 100 pixels. And the background color is red, just to see the difference. Yep, here is it. I'm gonna work with transform property right now, and transform functions work one by one, so the order is really important, and I'm gonna use this trick to place other faces at the right place. For now, I'm gonna work with all of them separately, just to show you how it works, and then we'll do it smarter. So yep, here is it. We can make it the more bigger, and yeah, see, this is our prism. It's time to make it smarter. First of all, I need to define a few variables. I need to define inner radius of our prism. For example, 100. I need to define the length of each face, for example, 400. And also I need to define the angle between each face. Let's also define n, which is the number of faces. We have 3 of them. Just to make it easier, let's calculate what we need. So it's the radius we can change this with our variables and also use length. Yep, now it works. We don't have any extra space here, so if we change the radius, for example, make it bigger, it adjusts, or if we make it smaller, it's also adjusts. So cool, it works. Now we need to calculate the angle between each face. And for this case, we also have formula, which is like 360 degrees divided by the number of our faces. And this is the angle. It's the first element, so I multiplied by 0. This one I multiply by 1, and this one I multiply by 2. And nothing changed because it works. Super cool. But I wanna add more and more faces here. And for this, I need to add one more variable, which is index number, and add a lot of new faces.
2 very boring minutes later.
So I have 100 faces and I have a code just for 3 of them. So what I can do now, I can just move this transform here, remove everything else, and it doesn't work. And you know why? Because we need to change this one to our index number, and tada, we have our prism like we had before, because we have just 3 faces defined and we can change it. 100, cool. Or for example 10, yep, it works. 3 works. 5 also works. Cool, super cool. I don't want them to be red. I wanna make them rainbow gradient or something like this. So in this case, I need to use something else, not just a background color. I'll start with one beautiful color that I wanna use as a base for my rainbow, which is like this one. And I'm gonna use filter, because filter has super cool filter function, which is hue rotate, and we know the index number of our face, we know the angle, we know the number of these faces, so we can just calculate how much we should rotate our hue for this specific face, because color wheel is a wheel, it's a circle, and prism is also kind of a circle, so we can just rotate it with our faces. Let's calculate what's gonna be if we multiply our angle by the index number. Woohoo, it works. And if we add more faces, it's gonna be smoother. See, we have more colors here. like this. Oh, 100. Looks cool. And also we can add just a little bit of animation. Yay, cool, it works. It's like a super real tube. I can add another animation, for example, rotate it in Z-axis. Like this episode, write a comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye!